Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. As we approach the planet Mars, we immediately catch sight of this mammoth mountain.
The base of it is about almost 350 miles across. That's as though the base of the mountain were from Los Angeles to San Francisco. So even though it's so high, the slope is very gradual. You would barely know you were climbing a mountain. It's not like a steep volcano. It's a smooth, low slope, but it just goes on forever.
Olympus Mons is located in the Tharsis Bulge, a region on the red planet that's home to other massive volcanoes. If you climb the 13 miles to its summit, you could take in a view of the very edge of the Martian atmosphere.
Olympus Mons is several times higher than the highest mountains on Earth. And its base is hundreds of miles across. And it's been formed over the last billions of years by eruption after eruption after eruption, which has slowly surfaced it with successive layers of lava.
100 million years ago, hot lava rivers poured down from its peak to cover millions of square miles of the red planet. Today, Olympus Mons is 100 times the volume of Earth's largest volcano, Mauna Loa, located on the big island of Hawaii.
Olympus Mons got so much larger than anything here for, well, a number of reasons. One is certainly there was just a lot of volcanic activity. A second is that Mars's gravity is much lower. You weigh a lot less on Mars. So as the mountain built up, it didn't compact back down. It was able to build up to a pretty huge volcano without collapsing.
The third, and perhaps most important reason why Olympus Mons is so huge is that Mars doesn't have plate tectonics, the movement of crustal plates that rest on top of the molten interior of bodies, such as Earth.
Olympus Mons grew to such a big size because of the lack of tectonic motions on Mars. The hot spot from which the lava, the magma, emerged remained at one location, allowing more and more material to build up and create a super mountain, a super volcano.
Mars is now presumed to be geologically inactive. But is the volcanic beast really dead, or merely a sleeping giant? The European Space Agency's Mars Express mission recently captured the highest resolution images ever taken of the planet's lava flows. Some flows date back 115 million years, but others are only 2 million years old. And on geologic timescales, that's very recent, which suggests there still may be some volcanic activity.
If we look at the surface of Olympus Mons, we see especially that there are lava flows which have very few craters on them. And so we know that those lava flows are perhaps 10, 20 million years old at the oldest. But the eruptive activity has been going on until the relatively recent past, if not right up until the present day.
Olympus Mons may have once produced vast amounts of lava, but its hellish heat paled in comparison to the current temperatures of number 2 on our countdown of the 7 incredible wonders of our solar system. This may look like a ball of flames, but its surface is an ocean of 10,000-degree plasma with waves, winds, and massive eruptions as explosive as 1 billion tons of TNT.